Hello, wise spenders and savers. Thank you for joining us here at Wise Wallet Wisdom. I'm your guide on this journey towards financial mastery with a burning passion for financial literacy. Together, we're going to navigate the world of budgeting, investing, and debt management. You'll learn, grow, and hopefully have a bit of fun along the way. This isn't just about numbers and cents. It's about empowering you to take control of your financial future. We're thrilled to have you in our community. Here at Wise Wallet Wisdom, our mission is simple: making financial wisdom accessible to all. We're passionate about taking you on a journey through the world of finance, from the basics of budgeting to the complexities of investing. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of debt management, helping you navigate the sometimes confusing landscape. But don't worry, we'll make it interesting, easy to understand, and most importantly, applicable to your daily life. Financial mastery is within your reach, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. You can expect a wealth of knowledge from our upcoming content. We're working on a series of videos that will offer you practical tips and actionable advice on a wide range of financial topics. From creating a budget that works for you, to investing wisely and managing debt, we've got you covered. We're also planning to delve into some advanced topics like portfolio diversification and tax planning. So buckle up and stay tuned for an enlightening journey through the world of finance. You might ask, why Wise Wallet Wisdom? Well, we're here to cut through the jargon and make financial wisdom accessible to all. We believe that understanding money shouldn't be like deciphering hieroglyphics. That's why we break down complex concepts into easy-to-digest, bite-sized pieces. Whether you're keen on budgeting, investing, or debt management, we've got you covered. We're not just about information, we're about transformation. With Wise Wallet Wisdom, you're not just learning, you're mastering finances. Ready to embark on this journey to financial mastery? It's time to take the first step. Subscribe to Wise Wallet Wisdom and hit that notification bell. You'll stay updated with the latest tips and tricks to navigate the financial world with ease. Don't stop there though. Join our community on other platforms and become a part of the conversation. Together, we can make financial wisdom accessible to all. Don't miss out on the wisdom. Subscribe now. We sincerely appreciate your time and interest. It's been a pleasure introducing you to Wise Wallet Wisdom. We're thrilled to embark on this financial journey with you, breaking down complexities and bringing you closer to financial mastery. Remember, every step, no matter how small, is a leap toward your financial goals. We're here to guide you, inspire you, and celebrate your victories along the way. We're excited to accompany you on this journey. Stay wise and see you soon.